When it comes to door installation in Mesa, getting it right the first time is essential. Whether you're upgrading your home, replacing a damaged door, or improving security, the installation process plays a critical role in the door's performance and longevity. Unfortunately, many homeowners make mistakes during this process that can lead to costly repairs or replacements down the line. Here are 5 common door installation mistakes in Mesa and how to avoid them. Improper measurements. One of the most common mistakes when installing a door is getting the measurements wrong. A door that's too small can leave gaps, leading to drafts, security issues, and a poor aesthetic appearance. On the other hand, a door that's too large will not fit properly in the frame and may not function correctly. How to avoid it? Ensure that you measure both the door and the frame carefully. Take measurements at multiple points, including the width, height, and depth, as doors and frames can sometimes warp or shift. If you're unsure about the measurements, it's best to have a professional handle the task. A local expert in Mesa will have experience working with various door sizes and can ensure a precise fit. Incorrect door swing. Another mistake that many homeowners make is failing to properly assess the door's swing direction. The door swing is critical for functionality, especially in smaller spaces where every inch matters. If you don't account for this before installation, your door may end up swinging into a hallway, a room, or blocking traffic flow. How to avoid it? Before installing a door, spend some time considering how you want it to open. Do you want it to swing outward or inward? Should it open to the left or right? Make sure the swing direction will allow for ease of movement and make sense in your home's layout. Planning ahead ensures that the door serves its purpose without disrupting your living space. Skipping weatherproofing. Mesa's climate can vary, with hot summers and occasional monsoon rains. Neglecting proper weatherproofing during door installation can lead to higher energy bills and potential water damage. Gaps or improperly sealed doors allow heat, cold, and moisture to seep into your home, compromising comfort and efficiency. How to avoid it? Always install weather stripping and ensure that your door is sealed properly. If you're replacing an exterior door, consider selecting a door with a built-in weather seal or adding a storm door to provide an additional layer of protection. You can also use caulk around the doorframe to block drafts and moisture. Doing so will enhance energy efficiency and reduce your maintenance needs. Ignoring the frame and subframe. Many homeowners focus solely on the door itself, overlooking the importance of the frame and subframe. If the frame isn't level or plumb, even the best door won't fit correctly. A crooked frame can lead to operational issues, such as sticking doors, difficulty in locking, or even warped frames over time. How to avoid it? Before you install the door, inspect the frame and subframe carefully. Ensure the frame is square and level, making adjustments as necessary. If the frame is warped or damaged, it may be necessary to replace it before installing the new door. This attention to detail during installation can save you from frustration and the need for costly repairs later. Choosing the wrong door type or material. Not all doors are created equal, and choosing the wrong door type or material can result in problems. For instance, a lightweight interior door won't provide the necessary durability or security for an exterior door, and certain materials may not be ideal for the Mesa climate. How to avoid it? When selecting a door, consider both its function and the climate. For exterior doors, choose solid wood, steel, or fiberglass, which provide durability and energy efficiency. If you're installing an interior door, lighter materials such as hollow core wood or composite doors may be sufficient. Also, ensure that the door matches your home's aesthetic and complements the style of your space. Conclusion: door installation can seem like a simple task, but it involves a great deal of attention to detail. By avoiding these common mistakes in Mesa, you can ensure that your new door not only looks great but also functions well for years to come. Taking the time to measure correctly, plan the door swing, weatherproof properly, inspect the frame, and choose the right material will help avoid unnecessary issues. Whether you're tackling the installation yourself or hiring a professional, proper installation will enhance both the comfort and security of your home.